Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Going through all my shoes and changing the plastics I keep them in, checking the bottoms and so forth, making sure that everything is still okay. So we're going to do a double video for you guys. It's classic shoe time. Going to start bringing out Jordans from the early 80s, late 80s, early 90s. I can show you guys how I take care of my shoes, how I'm able to keep shoes for 30 plus years. One of the first steps I'm going to say is to always keep your shoes in a sandwich baggie, not fully closed. You want to try to have the top open. Come through and burp them probably every 30 days, just to make sure the air is getting in there. I also, if you're a paper collector, I also keep my paper and all manuals that I get with shoes in a plastic bag. You can see that this paper is older than you, but still perfect. Shoes are about 20 plus years old. So make sure you take care of your stuff, guys. You take care of your stuff, it lasts forever. Like I said, shoes are only leather materials that can be painted or restored at any time, so you never really ever lose a pair of shoes unless you don't know what you're doing. That's why I'm going to get more into the taking care of the shoe aspect of this. You guys can see how old this Jordan box is. Like I said, I'm going to start busting out Jordans, 30 plus years old. Just trying to get it done. See, I store my shoes inside of plastic. I'm not using it. It stops the bottoms from yellowing a little bit, but you want to make sure, like I said, about every 6 months, you come back, open this up, and go through your shoes. This one, let me see what this is. This is the Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, Silver Zest, and white. So we're starting to go through the collection, guys. Shoe isn't bad. Everything looks good. You want to test your shoes. You want to push on them, feel on them a bit, and make sure that they're not getting down. Like I said, as long as you keep your shoes under 70 degrees with humidity under 20 to 30%, found that they last nearly forever. They don't yellow. They don't break up. You just have to be on it. It's temperature changes that really destroy your shoe. Like I said, this is a classic. Cut it out, cats. You can see I'm getting a little bit of yellowing on the bottom. You guys can see how long ago I bought this shoe. Look at that price. Yeah, guys. That's how long ago it was. I said most of you probably weren't born when this shoe was out. The materials on this shoe aren't bad. Even in the plastic, they're still good. You can still look at them. Like I said, that's why I enjoy putting shoes into the plastics. Because, see, like I said, you can still enjoy them. And to keep my bottoms from going absolutely piss yellow. You see, they're starting to... You know what you guys think about the 11 lows. A lot of people didn't like these back in the day, but they're starting to pick up in popularity. I think this shoe is about $400 or $500 right now for resale. But they're going to be hard to find, especially in new condition like this, unworn. Alright guys, you know what time it is on the show. Let me give you a little side view. We know what you guys think about these shoes. We know what shoes you guys are buying or want to see on the channel. Everybody stay safe. Woo, that's good for a 20 plus year old shoe. Look at it, guys. 20 plus years old. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!